The Winona area saw an uptick in whooping cough cases this winter. Early stages of the sickness look like a common cold, but if left untreated, a violent cough can develop. Young children are particularly vulnerable to the infection. Whooping cough is treatable with antibiotics, so it's important to contact a healthcare professional if you are experiencing symptoms.
Being mindful, just being aware, being educated, making sure you're up to date on immunizations, and knowing that if you get sick and if you're having worsening symptoms, to call your healthcare provider and they will guide your next steps.
Meller says keeping up to date on vaccinations is the best way to prevent the infection.